Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Today I'm going to introduce you one of our old students, very good student, Mr. Sai Subramaniam, and he achieved All India 9th rank at CA final level in May 2018 attempt results, my dear students. He was able to qualify all the stages of CA course in just a matter of 5 years. That is, starting from CA foundation to CA final, he completed everything in a matter of 5 years. Let us don't forget that CA is a professional course, my dear students. In this course, qualifying itself is enough. If you are able to get a rank, it's a bonus. This is not like MSET or AEEE or NEET, where it is mandatory to get a rank. It's not mandatory to get a rank in CA course. So just to recognize the merit, they will award only 50 ranks at All India level. Each and every student who has qualified is definitely great, but I will not be able to interview all such students. I'm selecting only few students with whom I have decided to conduct interviews. Hi Subramaniam, how are you?
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. How are you?
Fine, Nana, fine. Subramaniam, what is your full name?
Sai Subramaniam, sir.
Sai Subramaniam. Okay, nice. What's your native place?
I'm from Guntur.
Guntur itself.
Yeah, Guntur, sir. Brown border.
So it's a great advantage for you because in Guntur we have masterminds and you can directly join here as a day scholar. You need not even stay in a hostel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice. So what was the reaction of your family members and friends when they came to know that we achieved All India 9th rank in CA final level?
They felt very happy, sir. Even though they don't know much about CA curriculum, so when they got all India 9th rank and everyone started praising me, so they felt very happy.
Great. So I think all the students shall work hard and shall bring such happiness to all their parents. Because
Correct,
we cannot describe the happiness of the parents when we achieve something in our life.
yeah.
So what's your father and what was the role played by your parents in your success?
So my father working as a salesman in jewelry shop, sir.
Okay.
So he played a very major role in my curriculum. So he helped me a lot for either morally, financially, personally. So whenever I want to do something, he helped me a lot.
Since you came from a middle class, have you ever thought that CA course is affordable for you?
Yes, sir, in the initial days when I completed my 10th standard, so I thought like, okay, CA course is very expensive, and I thought like, okay, it's can't able to do for middle class family. But when I attended counseling classes of masterminds, so they explained me everything, and they explained they explained like how much expenses are required for each and every stage of CA curriculum. So then I thought like, okay, even though middle class families they can easily pursue the CA course. So after that I joined in CA in Masterminds.
I think you are dual qualified. You have done both CA and CMA. Is it right?
Yes, I qualified both the courses, CMA and CA.
For doing both the courses, how much you might have spent for all the levels put together?
So for both the courses, I spent around 2 lakhs, including registration fees of respective
Everything,
institutes.
coaching fees, registration fees, everything in a matter of 2 lakhs we are able to finish.
Yes, sir. So excluding
God.
masters, so I spent around 2 lakhs for coaching, in tuition fee, registration fee, exam fee, etc.
I think that's one of the beauty of CA and CMA courses. At a very affordable price, we can complete this course. Nice.
Yes, correct.
How much did you earn during your articleship?
So I used to draw around 4,000 per month. So
Okay.
later on they increased 1,000 rupees per month for each year.
Yeah. So that means in a period of around 3 years of articleship, you might have already earned around 1.5 lakh.
Yes, sir.
You spent already 2 lakhs for doing both the courses, and you once again earned around 1.5 lakh in your course itself. That is almost like earning while you learning.
Yeah, correct.
Great. That's one of the beauty of these courses. So at very early age, we can start earning. Even while we are studying, we can earn. We need not depend on parents for even petty expenses. We can earn while you are doing your articleship. And the greatest beauty is before completion of the course itself, you will be learning both theoretical as well as practical aspects. In all other courses, what happens is first you will be learning theory. Once you enter into job, then you can know the practicals. But here, by the time you become a qualified CA, you will be learning both and you will be a job ready CA. That's another beauty of this course. Great. Where are you working right now and what is your designation?
So I'm working for Byju's, so as a assistant manager finance.
Great. So several people have a wrong notion that in companies like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Byju's, they feel that there is no real role of a chartered accountant.
No. For every company, as a so corporate team will be there, and in every branches they have finance setup. So they should require a CA either for financial purpose, so costing, dual aspects are like costing, budgets, and financial like SFM related issues, and then regular core accounts, so book closures, statutory compliances. So they should require a CA.
So for any organization, they need a chartered accountant advice to take important decisions. Nice. What's your job profile there?
I am working in the team called accounts receivable. So here I will handle book closures, statutory compliances, preparation of financials, MIS preparation, then supporting to statutory and internal audits.
So did you feel that whatever you learned in your articleship, that exposure helped you to work well in your job?
Yes, sir. So I worked in a mid-sized firm. So I got a exposure in different aspects like accounting related and audit, so taxation. So all the issues so all the things I can able to handle in a present profile.
If you don't mind, what is your salary package right now? Because it becomes a motivating thing for several students so that they'll also understand what sort of packages they will be able to get if they qualify at an early age.
No problem, sir. I can disclose my salary. So I'm drawing 13.5 per annum.
13.5 lakhs per annum.
Yes.
What's your age right now?
24.
24.
Yes, sir.
So by what age you have started earnings?
So I started from 22.
So by the age of 22, you are a dual qualified. Your earnings have started. Now you are 24. You are drawing around 13.5 lakhs per annum.
Yes.
And still there is a long way to go. And
Yes,
definitely you will see good heights in your career. It's just beginning and still you are drawing 14.5 lakhs. I think another beauty of this course is at a very early age we can settle, and in the beginning itself we can draw very good salaries.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Is this your first job, Subramanian? Byju's is your first job?
No, sir. So this is second job.
Okay. Earlier, where you worked?
So I work for NBCC India Limited. It's a public sector undertaking under Government of India.
How did you get your first job? Have you attended campus selections?
Yeah, I got in CA campus placements.
Good. So how many companies did you attended for interview in your campus placements?
So I attended for 3 companies, sir, but I got selected in NBCC India Limited.
In which company you got your first job?
Sorry, sir?
In which company you got the first job? NBCC.
NBCC India Limited. It's a public sector undertaking under Government of India.
What was your salary, first salary for the first job?
So they offered me 10 lakhs per annum.
So in your first job itself, your starting salary itself is 10 lakhs per annum.
Yes, sir.
Really great. So have you done any post-qualification course? That is after completion of CA, there are several other courses to do. Have you done any such post-qualification course?
Haven't done any post-qualification course yet, sir, but I have plans to do executive MBA after 2-3 years.
Good. It's a good thing because you can learn very good presentation skills when you do MBA.
Yeah.
So with respect to theoretical knowledge, no one can beat a chartered accountant.
Correct.
But when you have MBA degree also, you will have good presentation skills also.
Yeah,
You'll be good at both the worlds. Why did you choose to do both the courses, that is CA and CMA simultaneously? What was the reason?
So most of the people have a notion like CA we can't clear at a time, and if many people has backlogs or they have dropouts after completion of say either CA Inter or CA CPT. So Mastermind suggested me to do both the courses simultaneously. It is very helpful for doing both the courses. So either it will be useful for security purpose. Even if you go for job also, so they will give preference like who has
When you have
qualified
dual
both.
qualified, you will be given preference.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Nice, nice. So that too, one major advantage we need to observe is 90% of the syllabus is common in both the courses.
Yeah.
So with a very little additional efforts, we can get a dual qualification.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we always recommend students to do both the courses simultaneously.
Yeah, it's right.
Have you pursued BCom along with CA?
Yes, sir. I did my BCom.
Great. Can you briefly explain about your schooling?
So I came from Telugu medium background. So I studied in government school in one of the government school in Guntur.
Great, really great. So you came from a Telugu medium background and seen very good success in CA. You are able to finish both the courses at a very early age of 22. Really great. So did you face any problems since you came from Telugu medium?
Yes, sir. So most of my friends and faculties they are like they discouraged me when I choose CA option. So but after attending master's counseling classes and mm, I attended I saw that master's compared this. So then I realized like okay CA can be affordable and CA can be easily clear for Telugu medium background students.
So you might have faced a little difficulty in the initial days. I think within a matter of 3 to 4 months, you can easily accustom to this. How many marks did you score in your 10th class?
I got 516 out of 600.
516.
516. Yes, sir.
So you got good marks in 10th class, and then why did you choose CA rather than choosing other streams like science streams?
So two of my cousins are already started preparing for CA course, so they suggested me, and later on I saw Masterminds compact disc and Masterminds in tenth standard only. So they conducted some exams like scholarship test and in the Guntur only. So they conducted some tests. So then they explained me how the CA course and what are the future benefits for this course compared to science courses. So then I started realized it and. I attended for masterminds.
Which group you have chosen for intermediate?
Obviously, MEC, sir.
Nice. So since you have decided to do CA in 10th class itself, you have chosen MEC.
Yeah.
So can you briefly explain about your college studies, that is intermediate?
So when I came from Telugu medium background, so I thought like it's very difficult to start completely from English. So then I contacted Masterminds. So they told me like so they have separate batch for Telugu persons who came from Telugu medium background. So I started in that batch. So they explained me everything. So the coaching, what are the study hours they conducted and examinations, weekly examination. So it is very helpful for me.
Nice. How many marks did you score in intermediate?
I got 935 out of 1000, sir. 93%. 93%.
How much did you score in CPT?
I got 190 out of 200.
Very good marks. So,
Yes.
did you got any rank at CPT level?
Yes, I got all India 8th rank in CACPT.
Really great. So, you got rank at CPT level, you got rank even at CA final level. Really great. So, even after getting 8th rank at CPT, you still continued for IPCC in Masterminds itself. So, what were the benefits you identified? What are the advantages you identified in Masterminds for CA Inter? That is IPCC.
Yeah. So once I got I started preparing from last 3 years in Masterminds, like intermediate and CA CPT. I took coaching in Masterminds. So then I thought, okay, after that I got all India 8th rank in CA CPT. Then I didn't thought about any other institute rather than going for Masterminds. So rather than going to.
Have you attempted both the groups of IPCC at a time?
Yes, I attempted both the groups in that time.
How many marks you scored at IPCC level?
I got 473 out of 700.
So any rank at IPCC?
No, sir, I didn't get in there.
But still you got ninth rank and final.
Yeah, yes, sir.
In your opinion, what might be the reasons for not getting a rank in IPCC, and what might be the reasons for
So after
getting a rank
attempting
at CA final?
Okay. So after attempting 2-3 papers of IPCC, so then I realized like, oh, my level of preparation is not up to the mark to reach that CIPCC level. So then I realized, okay, maybe I can try in CA final. I started preparing very hard in CA final. I achieved some good rank in CA final.
How many hours you used to study for all the courses of CA? How many hours of study you used to make?
So roughly I studied around 8 to 10 hours per day
Okay.
in the entire CA course. So before the exams, I
Consistently, you
will
work for 8 to 10 hours a day.
yes, sir.
So you continued the same at final level also.
Yes, sir. So even in final, means once I started preparation for CFN, not in articleship career, but after articleship, so we used to get some leaves like around 4 to 5 months leaves based on a form. So at that time, I started preparing for 8 to 10 hours per day.
Have you joined the pre-results batches or post-results batches at IPCC level?
I joined in pre-results batch of IPCC.
But some students are in opinion that pre-results are waste of time. It's better to join in post-results. What is your opinion on that?
So I suggest for joining pre-results is much better, sir. So a person who are confident about their CSCPT results, they should join in pre-results batch only, because they will get at least 2 months additional time for preparing IPCC. So for taking coaching, early preparation, so attending study hours. So it will be very useful for person who joined in pre-results compared to post-results.
Great.
I
Where
suggest
did
for
you done your
pre-results.
articles? Where did you done your articles?
I did my articleship in GN Kapadia and Co. It's a mid-sized firm located in Bangalore.
In your opinion, what is better to choose? Either a mid-sized firm or a big firm? Which is better to choose?
So it's a individual decision. So a person who wants to do specialization in particular aspects, either or taxation or audit, so they can choose. They can opt for Big Four. But a person like me, so I want to get to exposure in more areas. So in all the areas, so I choose mid-sized firm. And in my present working profile also, it is very helpful for choosing
Mid-sized.
mid-sized firm.
But so if you choose a mid-sized firm, you will get an opportunity to learn all the departments, all types
Yes,
of
sir.
works. When
Yeah.
you join in a big four, you will be confined to only 1 or 2 areas, and
Yeah.
you will not be exposed to learn everything.
Correct, sir.
So right now you are doing a job, and you found that coming from a mid-sized firm is an
Mid-sized firm.
advantage, so that you will be able to do anything.
Yeah,
Each and
yeah,
every
correct, sir.
aspect you will be aware of, and you can do any work. Great. So
Yes,
when
sir.
did you start your preparation for CA final?
So I started preparation for CFN when I got a leave from my articleship form. So in articleship form, we will get around 4 to 5 months leave. So I started from that day when I got a leave.
How did you balance your CA final preparation and articleship? Because several students are committing a mistake that when they are in articleship, they are not at all studying CA final and completely dedicating for articleship. They are even forgetting that they need to write CA final exams. So how you could be able to balance both?
So we should balance both. At least during articleship, we should study after completion of 1 year or 1.5 year of articleship. So we should start preparing for at least 1 to 2 hours per day, so that it will be very useful for CA final preparation.
So
Either
what you recommend is
if you are in,
after completion of at least 1 year of articleship, a student has to study for 3 to 4 hours a day so that he can comfortably appear for CA final.
yes, sir.
Nice. So will you suggest students to join for articleship after completion of one group at CA inter level? Several students are doing so. Do you recommend it?
Most of the people are joining doing like this, but I suggest for students who completed both the groups compared to one group, because once if we join articleship after completion of one group, no, so they can't able to clear second group up to completion of articleship. Most of my friends are doing like this, so it is not
They'll be
suggestible.
struggling. They'll be struggling to balance both.
Yeah.
So as a student of Mastermind, so right from intermediate to CA final, in your opinion, what was the role played by Masterminds in your success?
So Masterminds is played very major role in my success because they helped me a lot. They have the faculty, the coaching faculty, and the Masterminds material, director support, and the study hours, whatever the revision exam they conducted. So all this very helpful for my success.
Right. Why you are choosing mastermind for study hours and revision exams at CA final level?
So once the people got habituated for practical work like daily they are going for practical companies and they are doing practical work. So for 2.5 years they are not used to study for particular time like they can't sit
Agree. Get
and
rid of
study
habit
for
of
many
studies.
days. Yeah. So Marshmallows has created an environment like so they will conduct revision exams and study hours. The person who came from different cities after completion of articleship, they are able to sit for some time and they can able to write exams, revision exams. Those revision exams are very helpful for completing CFL.
So, in your opinion, do you feel that choosing CA is better than choosing other streams? What is your opinion on this?
So choosing CA is very much better because you can compare me with my school friends. Those people who joined in science background, they are struggling to earn around 15K, 20K per month. But I am earning good amount, and so career point of view also, financially it is very helpful, and career point of view also we can grow very easily compared to other streams. So we can reach good position.
Did you give up watching TV, going for movies while preparing for CA course, especially at CA final level? Have you done so?
Yes, I did. So I watched many movies. What are the movies released during that period? So I watched. I used social media. So, but we should, as a person, we should manage
You should
both
know
the
the
ways.
balance.
We
You
should,
should know the
yeah, yeah.
balance. Right.
We should balance, and we should not disturb our preparation style.
Yes. What do you want to become in your life?
Uh, so I want to become a head of finance or finance director for any particular listed company. I have plans to go for entrepreneurship, but I'm in starting stage of my career, so it will take time.
Yeah, I do agree. Opinions do change. So whatever the opinion you have today, it may get changed after a few years.
Yes, sir.
No issues. What is your success secret, Subramanian? In your opinion, what is your success secret?
Sir, there is no secret for success, but I definitely agree with the hard work. So,
Yeah.
hard work makes a matter, but the things should be planned in a proper way so that it will be achieved easily.
One last question. What is your advice to
Yes, sir.
students who are planning to join for CA course?
So I will definitely advise for persons who are interested to pursue CA course. So even my brother and my cousins are also joined for CA.
Oh,
I advise
nice.
them. But person who joined in CA, they should come. They should have that enthusiasm and courage to do clear all the papers on all the subjects at the same time.
Great. All the best, Sai Subramaniam. May God bless you,
Thank
and I wish you to fulfill all your dreams in your life. My dear students, I don't recommend any students to join in Mastermind just by looking at our ranks. Please look at the quality of education that we are giving. So please look at our commitment, our pass percentage, our academic program, our materials, our experience, and then take a wise decision to join in Masterminds. All the best.
you. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye now.
Yeah.